Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's vital for overall wellness but often overlooked: liver health. Your liver is a powerhouse organ that performs over 500 functions, including detoxification, protein synthesis, and aiding digestion. To keep this essential organ in top shape, it's crucial to incorporate certain foods into your diet. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 6 foods for liver health. Let's get started. 1. Leafy greens. First on our list are leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These veggies are packed with chlorophyll, which helps to detoxify the liver by neutralizing heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides. Chlorophyll is known to absorb toxins from the bloodstream, which makes it an excellent ally for liver health. Nutrients. Leafy greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, folate, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining various bodily functions, including a healthy liver. Vitamin A helps with liver cell regeneration, vitamin C supports the immune system, and vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Folate is crucial for DNA synthesis and repair, iron is essential for red blood cell production, and magnesium is important for numerous biochemical reactions in the body. Benefits. Leafy greens enhance bile production, which is crucial for digesting fats and removing waste from the bloodstream. Bile acts as a natural detoxifier that helps to cleanse the liver and remove toxins from the body. Additionally, the high fiber content in leafy greens aids in digestion and helps to prevent fatty liver disease by reducing the absorption of dietary fats. How to use. Add a handful of spinach or kale to your smoothies, salads, or soups to reap their benefits. You can also sauté them with a bit of garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. Try incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your meals to maximize their nutritional benefits. Before we go to our second pick, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are not only delicious but also highly beneficial for liver health. These fruits are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell damage. Nutrients. High in vitamins C and E, fiber, and a variety of antioxidants. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, which helps to maintain the structural integrity of the liver. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. The fiber in berries aids in digestion and helps to regulate blood sugar levels. Benefits. Berries help to protect liver cells from damage and promote liver regeneration. The antioxidants in berries neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This protection is crucial for preventing liver diseases such as fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Additionally, the fiber in berries helps to reduce cholesterol levels, which can further benefit liver health. How to use. Enjoy them fresh as a snack, mix them into yogurt, or blend them into smoothies for a tasty and nutritious boost. You can also add berries to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal for a sweet and healthy addition. Try making a berry compote to top pancakes or waffles, or use them in baking for a burst of natural sweetness. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a potent superfood with numerous health benefits, particularly for the liver. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins from the body. These enzymes help to break down and eliminate toxins, making it easier for the liver to function effectively. Nutrients. Rich in vitamins B6 and C, manganese, selenium, and allicin. Vitamin B6 is important for protein metabolism and the production of neurotransmitters. Manganese is essential for bone formation and nutrient metabolism. Selenium is a trace mineral that supports the immune system and acts as an antioxidant. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Benefits. Helps reduce cholesterol and triglycerides, two substances that can overburden the liver. High levels of cholesterol and triglycerides can lead to fatty liver disease, which impairs liver function. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce inflammation in the liver and promote overall liver health. How to use. Incorporate fresh garlic into your cooking or take garlic supplements if recommended by your healthcare provider. You can add minced garlic to sauces, soups, and stir-fries for a flavorful boost. Roasting garlic mellows its flavor and makes it a delicious spread for bread or a topping for vegetables. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are fantastic for liver health. They are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that support the liver's natural cleansing processes. The compounds in citrus fruits stimulate the liver and aid in the production of detoxifying enzymes, which help to break down toxins and eliminate them from the body. Nutrients. High in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, which helps to maintain the structural integrity of the liver. The fiber in citrus fruits aids in digestion and helps to regulate blood sugar levels. The antioxidants in citrus fruits protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Benefits. Enhances the liver's ability to detoxify chemicals and aids in digestion. The natural acidity of citrus fruits helps to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, the high water content in citrus fruits helps to hydrate the body and support overall liver function. How to use. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water, add citrus slices to your water bottle, or enjoy a grapefruit as a refreshing snack. You can also use citrus juice as a marinade for meats or a dressing for salads. Try incorporating citrus zest into your baking for a burst of flavor and added health benefits. 5. Beets. Beets are a unique root vegetable with powerful liver cleansing properties. They contain betaine, a compound that helps the liver eliminate toxins, and pectin, a type of fiber that binds to toxins and helps flush them out of the body. Beets also contain betalains, which are pigments that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Nutrients. High in folate, fiber, iron, betaine, and antioxidants. Folate is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, while iron is important for red blood cell production. Betaine supports liver function by aiding in the detoxification process. The antioxidants in beets help to protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Benefits. Support bile production and help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. The high fiber content in beets aids in digestion and helps to prevent fatty liver disease by reducing the absorption of dietary fats. Additionally, beets have been shown to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, which can further benefit liver health. How to use. Enjoy beets roasted, juiced, or grated into salads for a vibrant and liver-friendly addition to your meals. You can also blend beets into smoothies or use them to make a colorful and nutritious soup. Try adding beet greens to your salads or sautéing them with garlic and olive oil for a healthy side dish. 6. Avocados. Last but not least, avocados are a nutrient-dense superfood that supports liver health. They are rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Avocados contain glutathione, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in detoxifying the liver. Nutrients. High in vitamins E, K, C, and B6, folate, potassium, and healthy monounsaturated fats. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health, while vitamin C supports the immune system. Vitamin B6 is essential for protein metabolism and the production of neurotransmitters. Folate is crucial for DNA synthesis and repair, and potassium helps to regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. Benefits. Help reduce liver damage, improve liver function, and support the overall health of liver cells. The healthy fats in avocados help to reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels, which can further benefit liver health. Additionally, the fiber in avocados aids in digestion and helps to regulate blood sugar levels. How to use. Add avocado slices to your salads, spread it on whole grain toast, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture. You can also use avocado as a base for creamy dressings or dips, or add it to sandwiches and wraps for a nutritious boost. Try incorporating avocado into your baking for a healthy alternative to butter or oil. These 6 foods are incredibly beneficial for maintaining and improving liver health. Incorporating them into your diet can help ensure your liver remains in optimal condition, allowing it to perform its critical functions efficiently. Remember, a healthy liver is essential for overall health and well-being. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you're not only supporting your liver but also promoting your overall health. In addition to these foods, it's important to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and avoid excessive alcohol consumption to support liver health. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can also help to monitor liver function and catch any potential issues early. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Stay healthy and take care.